Today we'll be talking about stormwater runoff. Stormwater runoff is when water from rain or melted snow does not get absorbed into the ground because of hard surfaces like cement or concrete.
As the water flows down to the river, it collects pollutants, sediments, and heavy metals. One thing that we have done to combat this is baffle boxes. Baffle boxes are put where the drain empties into the river and filters the waters. The way they filter the water is sediment falls to the bottom and oil floats to the top. The nets and mesh gets trashed.
Another thing that has been done is artificial wetlands. Although they are the most expensive, they are also the most effective. The water is filtered by the sand and dirt. The water goes through the grass and catches the sediments. The pollutants are attached to the sediments and catches on the grass.
There are several wetlands in Aspen, including Heron Park, Aspen Center for Environmental Studies, North Star Preserve, Stillwater Wetlands, and John Denver Sanctuary.
Now, you might wonder, what is the best option of filtering? Well, baffle boxes are really good because they're not very expensive and they filter pretty well. The best option is the artificial wetlands, as even though they're more expensive, it's a better filtering system and it's much better for the water to naturally filter through the porous soil instead of the baffle boxes. And they require a lot less maintenance.
Some pollutants are oil, salt, antifreeze, and sediments. The oil affects the fish because it reduces the growth and enlarges fish's hearts and respiration rates. Causes the fish erosion and kills the fish.
When salt gets into the water, it harms the aquatic plants and animals. And in large amounts, it can also pollute our drinking water. When salt dissolves in the water, it makes it a lot harder to clean.
Now, salt dissolves in water because the positive part of the water atoms attracts the negative chloride atoms in the salt, and the negative part of water atoms attracts the positive sodium ions. Once the salt dissolves into the river, you can't really control or remove the salt easily. And so they try really hard not to have the salt from the roads to get into the river.
Oil affects the river because oil affects fish because it reduces the growth and enlarges the fish's liver, changes fish's heart and respiration rates, causes fish fin erosions, and kills fish's eggs. Oil floats on the water because of the buoyant force and is greater than the weight of the oil, and the water is greater than the oil. Here is an example of how the oil is floating on top of the water.
Antifreeze affects the water by changing the freezing and boiling points of the water. Chemicals like this are very bad for both the river and the aquatic life.
Sediment decreases fish life because it clogs the fish's gills and it alters the fish's migrations routes. It also affects the fish's eggs. Pollutants also stick to sediment, and this makes cleaning the river easier because when you clean out the sediment, you're also cleaning out a lot of pollutants. But if you don't clean the sediment, it's much worse because all the pollutants are collected in one spot. Sediment also decreases the water quality by altering the flow of the water and reduces the water depth and increases erosion. Now, one thing that we can do is that we can design houses so that the water goes into the soft ground as fast as possible without traveling and collecting trash, sediment, and other pollutants. We can also use more filters such as baffle boxes or artificial wetlands.
Be careful what you put down the drain, such as paint, oil, cleaning products. Use more environmental friendly products like that come from animals or plants.
We can also use fewer pesticides and fertilizers to prevent runoffs of the material into the river. We can plant more vegetation to prevent pesticides, fertilizers, and contaminated water from running off into the river or water source.
Another thing that you can do is don't throw litter into the river, and if you see any, you can pick it up. Also, plant plant more grass and plants rather than using cement, asphalt, or other hard surfaces.
So you explained how oil and salt affects fish, but how does it affect other organisms?
Thank you. Oil that is spilled into rivers collects along the banks of the river where the oil clings on the plants and grasses. Those plants and grasses are then ingested, which it's not good for the plant and grass themselves, but then they're also ingested by other animals and they can really poison the animals. They can die from that.
You also said that something about the sediment and that all the pollutants cling to it. So when you clean it, it's good for the river, and that if you don't clean it, it is stuck in one place. But is it better if it's stuck in a bunch of different places, or in
obviously it's not good either way. But the thing is, if there's a lot of sediment, rather than the pollutant moving around, it's stuck in that one spot and it'll poison that one spot more.